What's happening to her nose?
Turning blue.
Your whole nose has gone purple.
What do you mean?
Violet, you're turning violet.
I currently have a giveaway going on my channel right now, so make sure you check that out in the description box. I will have the link to enter and all the rules. Before I start off this makeup tutorial, I really quickly want to give credit to Ellie Addis, or Addis. I'm probably saying her name wrong, but she is the original creator of this makeup look, and I got really inspired from seeing her picture, so I just wanted to do the look in my own way. So I'll have her Instagram and YouTube linked down below. So let's get into this. As you can see, I primed my face with the Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm as my primer, and now I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 120, and I'm just going to blend that out using my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1, but you can skip concealer. You don't need it because literally every place I concealed got covered up later with the purple, and halfway through blending out my concealer, I realized, like, why am I putting concealer on? So just skip concealer. I'm not going to set my whole face with translucent powder. I'm only going to set my eyelids and right underneath my eyelids so I don't get any creasing. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush in the shade 111 Prime Vixen, and I'm just working that onto my eyelids in windshield wiper motions back and forth until I build up the intensity to get the color that I want. And this is kind of like a fluffy crease brush from the Morphe Vegan Pro set. It does not have a name or a number, but it's just kind of a fluffy crease brush. And this is a blush that I am using. I just kind of wanted to give it a try to see how it would work, and it worked alright. But if you have a matte pink eyeshadow, just go ahead and use that, because I really had to build this blush up to get the intensity that I wanted versus using a regular matte pink eyeshadow. Then I'm going in with the Colourpop Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the shade Girlfriend on my finger, and I'm just applying that to my eyelid. And then I do take a little brush just to get precise in the inner corner and outer corner. I wanted a little more sparkle to the eyelid, so I'm going in with the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst, and I just applied a little bit on my lid, and then I'm blending it out using my finger, and then again with the brush to get precise in the inner corner and outer corner. And then I'm taking a Morphe E17 brush, and I am just working that pink shade onto my lower lash line to smoke it out, and it does get a little messy, so I'm cleaning it up with a little bit of translucent powder. And now on to the fun part. I'm taking the NYX Vivid Bright Cream color in the shade Vivid Violet, and I'm just packing that onto my nose using a flat eyeshadow brush. But you can use a foundation brush or your beauty blender or whatever you want to pack it on. I just chose this brush because it fit best in the jar to pick up the product. And I'm just packing that on my nose, and I want to focus the majority of the color on my nose and right around my nose. And I just keep packing on that color. And it's a little stiff at first, but once it starts warming up with your skin, it's a little bit easier to work with. Once I'm happy with the amount of product I have on, I'm just going to start blending the edges with my beauty blender. and you just want to blend outwards because you want the purple to look like it's mainly focused on your nose and it's spreading out towards the rest of your face. And I just keep on blending, and I do go back in with a little bit of that color and pack a little more on my nose or any place that I feel like it needs it, and then I keep blending it out. So I just keep packing it on where it needs it and blending it out so it looks nice and blended and like it's spreading from the center of my face. You want the darkest part of the purple to be right on your nose. Also, if you're planning on wearing this look to a party or out or somewhere that you think you might be touching around your nose a lot, you can go ahead and set the purple the purple cream color with a little bit of eyeshadow. But I didn't do that for this look because I wasn't planning on wearing it out anywhere. But if you want to set it in place, go ahead and use some purple eyeshadow. Once you are happy with how blended the nose is, then you can move on to the face, and I'm taking the Maybelline Master Contour in the shade 20, medium to deep, and I'm taking that bronzer shade on my Benefit Hoola bronzer brush, and I'm just going to bronze/contour my cheekbones and my jawline. Using my Luxie 522 brush, I am applying some of that bronzer onto my forehead. I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry More on my Sonia Kashuk number 113 brush. And then my camera died, but I quickly put on some Bake. And now I'm applying that blush to my cheeks. And I know my cheeks kind of look like a lot right now, but in the end it all gets blended out. Okay, so now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit, and I'm taking the shade Forever Lit on a Morphe E36 brush. But I was not feeling that shade. On camera I think it looks really good, but in person I didn't like it. So I'm going into the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit, and I'm taking the shade Unicorn, and I'm applying that on my nose for a nice little nose highlight. And in person it was a really cool purpley blue shift, and I'm also applying that shade to the inner corners of my eyelids. And then I'm taking the shade Wish on a Morphe M510 brush, and I'm applying that to my cheekbones and my chin and my cupid's bow. Taking my Morphe M437 brush, I am wiping away my bake, and I am also blending all the powders together on my face to make everything look blended and cohesive. Then I'm going in with the Jonteblu lip liner in the shade Spice to line my lips. Now I'm going in with the Jouer Longwear Lip Cream in the shade Melon. I wanted something that was a little pinky because it reminded me of bubblegum. And also I wanted it to look nice and natural, nothing too crazy on the lips because we will be popping bubblegum all night long. I'm setting my face using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And last but not least, bubblegum. This is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. This is my first Halloween tutorial posting on my channel and I'm super excited about it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. I think this is a really fun, creative Halloween look. I think it's great for any last minute parties or anything that you're going to. It's fun and it's not a scary Halloween look, and it's definitely creative because I've never seen anyone do this look until this year. And a big shout out to Ellie, the original creator of this makeup look, because just seeing her post really inspired me and I was like, hey, I really like how that looks and I want to do it in my own way on my channel using my own products and see how it turns out. And I really love it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel because it always means so much to me. Also, I do have a giveaway going on my channel right now. You can win either bag 1 or bag 2. There is 2 winners and you have a chance to win all this makeup right here. So I will leave the link to enter and all the details and rules in the description box. It will be the first thing in the description box. So make sure you enter for a chance to win. And you can also check out my last video because I really go in depth on the giveaway, all the products, all the details, and all the rules. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you stay tuned on my channel because I will be doing a ton more fall and Halloween videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!